the banks are borrowing money from RBI comes down, that means that today if I was paying X as interest charges, now the banks will have to pay lesser to RBI. If they have cheaper money available, what does that mean? They will take more money at the same cost. If they take more money, what it means? They can lend out more money. Banks don't take the money and sit on it, right? They take the money and lend it out. That's their business. So if they have more money to lend it out, what does it mean? That more customers will get loans, more corporates will get loans, more trade companies will get loans, and as a result, what will happen is customers will have more money to spend. Corporates will have taken loan, they will set up new plants, they'll increase their business, they will do more promotions, etc. etc. Trading companies take the loan, that means they will invest more in the transportation between different countries, they'll open business in newer economies. What happens after that? If you take the loan and you have more money to spend, what will you do? What will be the first thing that you will do? You will either go and buy a car, either go and buy a motorcycle, either go and put your child in a good preschool, or you marry your daughter. When you buy a car, the automobile sector business grows.
Yes.
You put your child in a school, education business grows, which further leads to more teachers finding employment, more business happening there. Now, what I'm trying to say is, one rate cut done by RBI leads to all these trigger reactions, and that's why it is so important. Now, banking sector forms the core of the economy because 0.5% rate cut done at the top level leads to so many things happening on the ground. Now, this sort of experience is something that the banking sector will give you at a high level. Now, there are people who have worked in the banking sector over 20, 30, 35 years to reach a level that they start understanding this entire macro level of what the BFSI space is all about. So, banks don't care about